Antarctica, the frozen, uncharted wilderness at the bottom of the world. Known for its towering glaciers, endless fields of ice, and freezing temperatures, this vast continent is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. But beneath its frozen surface, this desolate land holds some of the most incredible, strange, and bewildering discoveries ever made. From lost continents to hidden lakes, bizarre creatures, and ancient civilizations, Antarctica is truly a treasure trove of the unknown. Today, we're diving deep into this icy wonderland to explore the 10 strangest things found in Antarctica. Grab your coat, because things are about to get chilly. First up on our list is something straight out of a horror movie. Nestled in the cold desolation of Antarctica's Taylor Glacier is a blood-red waterfall, ominously named Blood Falls. For years, this eerie sight puzzled scientists. What could possibly cause the water to flow such a dark red color in a place so frozen? The mystery was eventually solved when researchers discovered the waterfall's shocking origin. It turns out, this crimson spectacle is caused by iron-rich water trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years. When the water finally seeps out and hits the air, it oxidizes, creating that bloody hue. But what's even more fascinating is that the water comes from a subglacial lake, cut off from the outside world for millions of years, supporting microbial life that's adapted to survive in extreme conditions without sunlight or oxygen. Who knew that beneath the ice, life could not only exist but thrive? Next, let's talk about something that's literally beneath the surface, hidden away from human eyes for millennia. Deep under Antarctica's icy covering lies an enormous mountain range, one the size of the European Alps. Known as the Gambert-Sev Mountains, these peaks are buried under more than a mile of ice and were first discovered in the 1950s during a Soviet expedition. What makes this discovery so strange is that the mountains are completely invisible to the naked eye, yet their presence has been confirmed through radar and seismic imaging. These ancient mountains, thought to be over 1 billion years old, raise even more questions about Antarctica's past. Could it have once been home to forests, rivers, or even ancient civilizations? We're just beginning to scratch the surface of this icy enigma. Speaking of ancient mysteries, did you know that Antarctica wasn't always the frozen wasteland we know today? In fact, millions of years ago, it was covered in lush, green forests, home to a diverse range of plant and animal life. Scientists have uncovered fossilized remains of trees, plants, and even dinosaurs beneath the ice. These fossils tell the story of a time when Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, enjoying a much warmer, temperate climate. It's hard to believe, but the land beneath Antarctica's ice once supported life. Life that was wiped out when the continent shifted to its current location and froze over. Some researchers even believe that, with the right technology, we could one day revive some of these ancient species trapped in the ice. From the skies above Antarctica, pilots have often reported seeing strange, perfectly circular formations etched into the ice. These unusual ice circles have sparked countless theories, from alien landings to mysterious natural phenomena. Scientists now believe these circles may be formed by a combination of extreme weather conditions and the unique properties of Antarctic ice. Winds, changes in temperature, and underwater volcanic activity could all contribute to these circular formations. But for conspiracy theorists, the jury is still out. Some suggest these markings are evidence of ancient civilizations or extraterrestrial visitors. Underneath Antarctica's thick ice sheet lies a hidden world of liquid water. Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world, lies 2.5 miles below the surface of the East Antarctic ice sheet. Sealed off for over 15 million years, the lake is completely isolated from the outside world, and it's teeming with strange and unknown life forms. In 2012, A Russian research team drilled into the ice and reached the surface of Lake Vostok. What they discovered was mind-blowing. Microorganisms that have been trapped in the lake for millions of years. But what's truly baffling is how these life forms have managed to survive in total darkness, in sub-zero temperatures, without any nutrients from the outside world. Some scientists believe this could give us clues about life on other planets, especially icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. Antarctica's extreme conditions make it the perfect place to find meteorites, and some of the most incredible extraterrestrial discoveries have been made right here on the frozen continent. Thanks to its thick ice sheet and lack of vegetation, meteorites that land in Antarctica are preserved in near-perfect condition. In 1984, scientists made one of the most extraordinary finds yet, a meteorite known as ALH 84001, which was believed to have come from Mars. The meteorite contained tiny formations that some scientists think could be fossilized bacteria, potential evidence that life once existed on the red planet. While the debate is still ongoing, one thing's for sure: Antarctica holds secrets not only of Earth, but also of the universe beyond. Imagine standing on a frozen landscape, surrounded by nothing but ice, and suddenly hearing music? In 2018, scientists studying the Ross Ice Shelf made a curious discovery. The ice was singing. Well, sort of. Using sensors, they found that the ice sheet was vibrating at a frequency that could be translated into sound. When sped up, the ice seemed to be creating a ghostly hum, a phenomenon caused by wind passing over the snow dunes, creating low-frequency vibrations. While the sound is too low for human ears to hear naturally, it can be recorded and amplified, creating an eerie symphony of the Antarctic ice. It's a reminder that even the most barren landscapes can have a voice. Did you know that hidden beneath the ice lies a lost continent? That's right. Beneath the frozen waters of the Southern Ocean lies Zealandia, a massive submerged landmass, of which New Zealand and New Caledonia are the highest points. Zealandia broke off from the supercontinent Gondwana millions of years ago, and over time, most of it sank beneath the ocean. But here's where it gets even stranger. Evidence suggests that part of Zealandia may still be connected to Antarctica. Could this submerged continent hold even more secrets waiting to be uncovered? Antarctica's oceans are home to some of the weirdest and most alien-looking creatures you could ever imagine. The most bizarre of them all? The giant ice fish. Unlike most fish, ice fish have no red blood cells and instead have antifreeze proteins in their blood, which prevents them from freezing in the sub-zero temperatures of Antarctic waters. But the ice fish isn't the only strange creature lurking beneath the ice. Scientists have discovered colossal squids, bioluminescent jellyfish, and other mysterious deep-sea dwellers living in the dark, cold waters. These creatures have evolved to thrive in some of the most extreme conditions on Earth, making them perfect candidates for exploring the possibilities of life in other extreme environments, like the icy moons of our solar system. Now, let's dive into one of the most controversial discoveries in Antarctica: strange, massive structures buried beneath the ice. Using satellite imagery, researchers have found what appear to be enormous, geometric shapes beneath the ice sheets. Some suggest these could be ancient human-made structures, possibly built by a lost civilization that existed before Antarctica froze over. Others believe these formations are natural, caused by geological processes or volcanic activity. While there's no definitive answer yet, these mysterious formations continue to fuel speculation about what really lies beneath Antarctica's ice. So there you have it, the 10 strangest things found in Antarctica. From blood-red waterfalls to ancient mountain ranges, hidden lakes, and potential evidence of life on other planets, this icy continent holds some of the most incredible and mysterious discoveries ever made. And as technology advances, Who knows what other secrets might be waiting beneath Antarctica's frozen surface? Let us know which discovery fascinated you the most in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible content from Amazing World Facts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.